Why do we install gardens in our properties? Well, one of the reasons we install gardens is for beauty. We want to go out to our yards and look at a beautiful garden. Another reason we might plant gardens is to help stabilize certain areas of our lawn where maybe we have slopes and we want to, or maybe we have shaded areas where there's not good growth and we want to add some gardens where grass won't grow in order to stabilize certain areas of our yard. Another way that we might want to add a garden is to naturalize a space so we don't have to keep mowing it every week. Add some sort of naturalized area. And a fourth possible reason why we might want to add a garden is to help the environment. By adding natives and pollinators, we can use less water, we can help our pollinators make our earth a better place to live. So those are some of the reasons why we might want to install a garden. Some of the most important aspects to gardening start with the design. Making sure we pick the right plants that will grow in the right environment that we have. If we select plants that are not going to tolerate the area that we're going to plant them in, they'll likely die and we'll have wasted our efforts. So coming up with the right type of plant for the right environment is critical to having a successful garden. If we want to look at how we're going to help the environment, which is critical in this day and age, we'll find that picking native plants and species that use less water and plants and species that are really great for the pollinators can really help our environment on an individual level and make it feel great about your property. Also, an aspect of gardening that is often overlooked are trees. Trees are an aspect that we utilize to help, again, help the environment and to provide shade and for both our homes and for our garden spaces and our patio spaces in our yards. So that's another aspect of gardening. If you install your gardens and or your trees or your plants improperly, you're likely to have a low success rate. So learning how or hiring someone who can properly install those plants and maintain them can be really helpful to your long-term investment.